Everything started in 2009. To kill boredom, I took embroidery as a hobby, and these four suits were my first attempts. As time passed, my interest shifted from embroidery to crafts. So you would have seen a lot of sequences work on fabric, but this time I have something unique for you. I'm using sequins on this canvas. So let's get started. So what do you need? 2-3 coordinating colors in sequins, floral pearls, adhesive, I'm using Fevicol here, and a frame or a sentiment for the focal point. Well, I'm using both. Since this project has been inspired from resin art or geodes, so I'm using sequins in the geode style. So here comes a resin frame and I have already painted it with copper color. I'm using transfer me sheet for the sentiments. It says, all our dreams can come true. Using transfer me sheets are very simple. Just apply the transfer, add enough water and remove the backing. Now comes the final part of the project where I'm adding some floral pearls to balance that glitter. Also adding some paint to the sides of the circle border. When I was creating this project, I had already decided to put it at the entrance of my home. Incorporating your favorite quotes into your home decor is a beautiful way to personalize your space. Simplicity and a touch of glitter through sequins will make this wall art stand out. Isn't it pretty? So that's a quick tutorial, and if you like the idea, do let me know in your comments. See you until next time. Thank you.